6 places which are naturally impossible to exist. Number 1. Darwaza Gas Crater. There's a place in Turkmenistan that's scary, but whoever comes to see it just keeps asking about it. But nobody knows anything about what it is and why is it there. People here call it the Door of Hell. It's so incredible. This pit has been built recently and people do not know much about it. However, its story is very funny. In 1971, people saw small flames coming out of the earth here, and when people started digging, a large part of the earth was completely eroded. The machine working there also got into this pit, and since then, it has been continuously burning and people come from all over the world to see this pit. Number 2. Hauka Dalur Valley. In the world, not only humans can make fountains for themselves, but sometimes nature also creates a fountain for itself, which we call geysers in the common language. The most famous fountain worldwide is found in the Hauka Dalur Valley of the island. When the water starts coming out of it, you might not believe it, but the water goes up to a height of 70 meters, and when it is cool, a big water balloon is seen which is completely blue in color. Usually this fountain hits a spurt of water every 10 minutes. That water goes up to full 70 meters. Just think how much nature must have been pushing to throw the water up to 70 meters. Number 3. Cano Cristales. If you ever visit Colombia, do not miss the chance to visit Cano Cristales because this is the only river in the world that flows in full 5 colors. Actually, there are 5 different types of moss frozen in this river, which when viewed from above, this river looks like this. 5 mosses are found in different colors from December to August, and all 5 of them change their color as soon as September comes. From this we understand that no one can be an artist bigger than nature. Number 4. Waitomo Caves. Whenever you go to New Zealand, you will get a different view. Here you will find a cave which is full of stars. Actually, these are not real stars, but they are not less than stars either. They are actually living beings. Yes, it's a kind of fungus which is found only in this place all over the world. And maybe you do not believe that the more hungry these small creatures are, the more light will come out of them. Thousands of tiny creatures come out with such a blue light that will surprise anyone to see. Number 5. Lencoy Maranhenses National Park. Nothing special happens in Lencoy Park in Brazil in 6 months of the year. Just mud, clay and clay. No crop can be grown here. But during the rainy season, this place changes completely. As soon as the rain starts here, the rainwater stops above instead of going inside the ground, and a natural pond is created. That pond is more beautiful than any beach of the sea. At that time, the temperature here is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius. People from all over the world come here to enjoy this natural pond during the rainy season. Number 6. Antelope Canyon. Although every person in this world must have heard about America's Grand Canyon, but due to some reason, very few people know about the Antelope Canyon here. Just see how smooth they are. It's found in America. Actually, Antelope Canyon has 2 parts, an upper part and a lower part. Now you must be wondering how these rocks got this beautiful shape. Actually, after every few years, there's a severe flood, and the flood waters made these stones like this by rubbing constantly. And this has been happening for the last several years, and as a result, this unique piece of artwork is seen in Antelope Canyon. This is how these canyons are naturally formed.